Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get Hinge Premium for free. You can get a 12-month free Hinge Premium subscription using a working promo code that you can redeem in the Hinge website and app, and it is going to upgrade your account. And as you can see, 1 month membership costs around $20 US. I'm going to be showing you how to get 12 months for free. Now, before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always searching for money saving tutorials and methods. So let's show you guys how to get free Hinge Premium, and this is going to allow you to match and message, unlimited likes, view all incoming likes and more, guys, priority. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Hinge promo code, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. so type it like this into your internet browser. And Crash Coupons is basically a codes website. They mostly have game codes, but they do have mobile application promo codes as well. So they actually have a page dedicated for Hinge Premium. So you use the search bar and you're looking for the Hinge Premium 12 months. So go ahead and tap on that. And this is going to get you free Hinge Premium. And this is a promo code, guys, you can redeem in-app or in the Hinge website. You can Google redeem promo code and you'll find where to enter it, and this is going to upgrade your existing Hinge account to premium. So because these are pretty desirable and it costs around $100 US for 12 months, you do need to unlock your personal code. This is completely normal. This basically stops people taking all of the limited codes. So click on get full code and you're going to see this page here that basically tells you what to do. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically, guys, you just got to complete any 2 tasks on this page and they're all completely free. So basically, once you fully complete 2 of them following the instructions, it will send you back to Crash Coupons and your Hinge Premium code will be revealed. So this will say unlocked, and yeah, you basically grab your code and that is going to get you 12 months free Hinge Premium. So go to Crash Coupons and then search for the Hinge promo code on this page. If you need any assistance, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.